wearing a Gucci. Hey guys, quick video, horrible angle. I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up for my birthday. Let's start with Old Navy. So I got this dress. It is very wrinkled, but it's long and it looks like it will be comfy for the summer, especially as we go into August, because woo, the heat. Then I got this dress, and if you follow me, you will know I had a whole debacle with this dress of them not taking the security tag off of it. So that is this. It's super long, like super long, and it's small at the top and then it gets wider at the bottom for that flowy effect. I went to Coach. There is a Coach outlet near me, and I went in there looking for a specific bag. I'll put the bag right here, and they didn't have it. And then when I went online, I was like, yeah, I don't think I want it anymore. So I did spot these. So it's just a sandal, a slide. It has the Coach on the bottom. I got these in a size 8. I'm usually at 8.5, so a 39. But for some reason, the 8.5 was too big, but the 8 fit. So I was just like, okay. So I got the 8. Next, I scurried on over to Short Hills Mall. I went into Nordstrom looking for 2 things. I wanted the new Dior lotion with the little keychain rubber cover thing that they're doing. That's kind of like Bath and Body Works, how they do their hand sanitizers. They didn't have the lotion, but then I also wanted the Dior Addict lip glow butter. And I got this in the color toffee. So it looks like that. It has a little Dior tag. Now, for $42, this feels a little empty. I can't see through the thing, but this feels a little empty. But that's what it looks like. I'm gonna put it on. I don't have anything on my lips, and I haven't tried this yet. Okay. It's a gloss. It smells a little perfumey, but that's that on that. I went to Chanel. Yes, I did. Oh, my little flower came off. It's fine. I'm gonna take all this stuff off anyway. I decided to get myself a pair of sunnies. So this is what it looks like. And when you open it, it has sunglasses and these little things on the side that say Chanel. Okay. And the tag is still on it. I'm gonna take this little tag thing off. It has sticky stuff on it, so I'm gonna have to clean that. But anyway, this is what the shades look like. I think this is from the new Runway collection. It has the CC on both sides, as well as the insides on both sides. And I thought that was pretty cute. I gravitated towards the green ones, but then when I tried them on, I was like, just get the black ones. Do I regret it? No. All my shades are black, and I think that that's my style. So let's put these on. That is what they look like. And I love them. I feel like they're so me. So happy with this purchase. Gucci. Enough said, right? Enough said. Gucci. So went into Gucci, still at the Short Hills Mall. And I picked a pair of, oh, it says Gucci on the little dust bag. I got the slides These are the new ones from the new collection that dropped for, I believe, spring summer 2025. Super cute. It has the horse bit, which I enjoy. I enjoy having this print with the horse bit. And then it says Gucci, made in Italy. And like I said, I got a size 39. 39 is true to my size. And I'm going to enjoy wearing these. I think they're super cute. And I have my toes done Frenchie. Super cute in these. I cannot wait to wear them. Can't wait to wear them.